Hey intruders, welcome back to Intruder Security. This video will be amazing as we are going to discuss in detail the 30-day pathway of becoming an ethical hacker. Whether you are a beginner or a novice, this is going to be the guide you need. Make sure you take notes and track down your progress throughout 30 days. This notes will not only help you during your learning journey, they will also help you during bug bounty hunting. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Security careers are majorly divided into 6 posts: security analyst, security engineer, security architect, digital forensic and incident response, ethical hacker, and chief information security officer. In this video, we are majorly going to focus on the ethical hacking part of thing. Let's break down the total learning journey into 30 days pathway. First 2 days you would be focusing on the cybersecurity basic parts. This can include definitions like information security, malware, threats, and more. Go through CIA triad, rules and laws of hacking, types of hackers. These is the theory part of thing to clear your basics. Feel free to skip this part if you are a beginner in security and you are clear with the theory part. From day 3 to 6, go through Linux fundamentals. It is one of the most important part of ethical hacking. Learn how to install Kali Linux and prefer virtual machines instead of dual boot or making it as in primary OS. Once you are good at Linux, you can go for dual boot or primary OS. Explore the Linux terminal. Learn its commands, user permissions, and user management. We already have a video on this. You can explore our ethical hacking playlist to get started. Next 4 days from day 7 to day 10, learn about networking basics. Having a good amount of knowledge in networking is very important. Networking basics may include water protocols, ports, how our TCP and UDP connections are established. Learn about IP addresses and subnetting. Remember, networking is a very deep part, and these are small amount of topics. Before we move, let me introduce you to your one-on-one guidance membership. Get the Black Hat membership of our channel and get one-on-one training from experts. Let's move forward. From day 11 to day 14, focus on some scripting language. This will help you to write scripts, automate tools, and much more. Bash and Python are preferred one. But you can even replace Python with other languages like Go or Ruby. It's not necessary to be an expert, but you must be able to write scripts as per your need. Next 5 days, focus on the web application basics. This can include how web application works, what are API, server, and front-end difference. Almost all of the websites uses JavaScript, so understand JavaScript and its usage. Learn about DNS, routing, container-based deployments. Once you have completed the 19 days of basic learning, switch your gears and learn something advanced. From day 20 to 25, learn about the web vulnerabilities. Go for OWASP Top 10 and other vulnerabilities like cache poisoning, subdomain takeover. Learn about burpsuite and practice on different platforms. Swigger Labs is one of the best labs to get started. These labs will prepare you for most of the situations you face during pentesting. So we have come to an end to our 30 days learning journey. On day 26 and 27, learn about the networking tools like nmap and Wireshark. These are very essential for packet analysis and target enumeration. On day 28, you can explore what is bug bounty hunting. Search for various platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd. Learn about rules and regulations, in-scope and out-of-scope domains, vulnerability disclosure program, and bug bounty programs. On last 2 days of 30 days of ethical hacking, go through your notes, start your bug bounty hunting, or explore cybersecurity certificates. Congratulations! You have completed your learning path of ethical hacking journey. So what are you waiting for? Go start your learning journey. If you have any doubts, comment down below. I will try my best to answer your doubts. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel if you love this video. That's all. See you all in next video.